Alright, today I'm going to show you how to remove this shift knob off the shifter. I guess everyone's having problems doing that. So first thing you want to do, turn your car to the on position without starting it. Man's got a damn cell phone. Go ahead and put the car in neutral. Put the emergency brake on. Let's engage. And a lot of people say there's a clip. There is no clip on these models from say 1998 to 2004. Some of them may, some of them don't, but there is no clip in the front. There is no clip. All you have to do is just pull straight up. So what you want to do is try to give a tug. If you pull straight up, it usually doesn't come off. You kind of wiggle it back and forth for it to come up. And that's all it is. Pull straight out. I don't know if you can really see in there, but there's actually like this little mechanism that kind of, when you push this down in here, it's going to click and hit this little piece right here. As you can see, there's a notch sticking out. So once you hit that in, I'm not going to push it all the way down because I don't want to, it's just so hard to get out. You push that down and you'll hear a click. So you just got to kind of wiggle it back and forth and pull straight up. There is no pin. As you can see, there's no pin in the front. This is all one piece. So that's how you take off your shift knobber for a Cadillac SLS, STS, models 98 through like 2004. Any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Alright, thanks.